What's required to be able to lodge an onshore partner visa? So I'm going to address the circumstances that you need to be in to be able to look at or apply for the 820 visa. So this is different to the requirements for the 820 partner visa or the onshore partner visa. So the circumstances that would allow you to consider lodging an onshore partner visa are circumstances where you're inside Australia and you hold a substantive visa. An example of a substantive visa might be a visitor visa, a working holiday visa, a student visa, or maybe one of the other working or skilled visa options. It's really important, however, that there's no limiting condition on the visa that you hold. So a limiting condition, for example, is on some visitor visas, there's an 8503 condition, which means it stops you or it bars you from applying for any more visas while you're inside of Australia. Other circumstances are where you don't hold a valid visa. For example, you're unlawful or you're on certain bridging visas, you hold a bridging visa. There may also be some conditions that prevent you from lodging where you've been barred from lodging future visas. But generally speaking, if you hold a visitor visa without a limiting condition, you hold a student visa without any limiting conditions, or a working holiday visa, it may be a situation where you could consider looking at the partner visa. But the next step obviously would be to get advice to make sure that you do meet the requirements then for the partner visa.